Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Think and Grow. Think before you do. In this video, we are going to see about 7 principles which will change your life. From a book, A Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Julian was a great successful lawyer. He fought cases only to defend some really wealthy people. He had a big mansion, a private jet and a Ferrari. But even after achieving these huge things, he was not satisfied. He wanted more fame and more money. So he worked almost 18 hours a day. He barely interacted with his family. As a result, he got divorced and looked like 80-year-old man, even though he was just 53. So, once during a regular courtroom session, he felt some pain around his chest area and suddenly he fainted. He was taken to a nearby hospital where doctors diagnosed that he had got a heart attack. When Julian came back to sense, doctor advised him not to go so hard on himself, as he really was not in a position to sustain all that pressure. Doctor asked Julian to quit his job and live his life peacefully. Julian had won all cases in his entire life. But when it came to the case of his own life, he lost like a loser. He took days to digest this fact and slowly he realized his mistake. And he took a bold step that he sold his mansion, his private jet, and he sold even his Ferrari. After selling all these things, he set out on a journey in search of true meaning of a life. This journey was towards the mystical lands of India, across the great Himalayan range, where these Indian monks resided. These monks were no ordinary and had highest level of wisdom, that they are capable of liberating the potential of one's soul, body and mind. Julian had his source from where he got to know that these monks live happily for more than 100 years, that too with the energy of a young man. It took days to find one of those monks. Julian started living there with those monks in their village. By watching Julian's dedication, monk's leader decided to teach Julian the principle of life on one condition, that he would not keep that knowledge to himself, rather he would spread it to the outer world. So the monk started narrating a story. Imagine you are sitting in a garden which is filled with trees, flowers and many kind of birds. The flower in the garden smells really nice and you will have a great time there. You can see lighthouse in the middle of the garden and suddenly door of the lighthouse opens and sumo wrestler comes out of the lighthouse. It's really weird to look at the sumo wrestler as he just wearing a underwear made of thin wire. He wanders around and finds a golden stopwatch lying in the garden. As soon as he tries to pick it up, he slips and he falls on the ground lying motionless. After some time he came back to his sense and he looked towards his left. On his left was a path paved out of small diamonds, which led to a place where the sumo wrestler can find all the happiness in his life. He started walking on the path and soon gets out of the sight. Now Julian asked monk if this was some kind of a joke, as this story made no sense at all. The monk then said him, "This is no ordinary story, as this story has 7 biggest principles of life." Monk then started explaining the story, leading it to its hidden meaning. The first principle is related to the garden. The garden in the story symbolizes our brain. If you sow good seeds, you will eventually be a nice fruit on trees. Good plants bearing beautiful flowers on a nice smooth grass. But if you put garbage inside the garden, sooner the place will turn into a dump. Similarly, if you flood your brain with positive thoughts like kindness, love, empathy, and if you keep motivating your brain, you will develop into beautiful garden bearing good thoughts. This will help you achieve greater things with inner peace. But if you think negative, sooner the place will develop into a garbage dump which can only yield something poisonous. Second principle is related to the lighthouse, which symbolizes goals in our life. A lighthouse shows the right direction to the ships sailing in an ocean. Similarly, we should choose the right path in our life. You can only reach a destination if at all you know your destination. Choose the target and work on achieving it. You might have to face some difficulties while moving towards your goals. But if you are constantly moving in a right direction, sooner or later you are going to reach your destination. The third principle is related to the sumo wrestler, which symbolizes Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word which means continuous learning and improvement. Sumo wrestler has to be very specific with his diet and discipline to achieve his huge physique. Like sumo wrestler, we need to always keep on learning. Learning some good books will get you to be developed. The fourth principle is related to the underwear that the wrestler is wearing, which is made up of thin wire. Interpret self-control and discipline. It might be small and thin, but without that underwear, the wrestler will be naked, and that really won't be a pleasing sight. Now, if you have seen cable wire from inside, you might be aware of fact that it usually made of many thin wires which together forms a cable. This thin wire may be weak alone, but when put together are even stronger than an iron rod. Similarly, our self-control and discipline is made up of every small thing that we do in our life. Be it waking up earlier and eating healthy. We feel that these small things don't really matter. But in reality, these are the things that matters. You won't see an instant impact, but in the long run, these small things can bring some big changes in your life. They will define who you are as an individual. The fifth principle is related to the golden stopwatch, which symbolizes time. No matter how rich or poor you are, you only have 24 hours in an entire day. Not even a second more or less than anyone else. But the way we utilize these 24 hours is what makes us happy or sad, rich or poor. Most of us have this habit of procrastinating, which is nothing but waste of time. By the time you woke up in the morning, someone else is running from gym, feeling fresh, fit and happy. Now when I say time is golden, it doesn't mean that we should always keep on working. No. Instead, we must enjoy and have some fun activities in our day-to-day life. And what's really important is to manage everything in those 24 hours. Every successful person knows how to manage time. So they manage to do every single activity in same 24 hours that each one of us has got. The sixth principle is related to the fragrant rose. There's one really famous saying in China, which means that there's always little fragrance remaining in the hand of those who give flowers to others. So here this flower and its fragrance symbolizes social cause. Doesn't matter how much you earn or what heights you reach, satisfaction of helping others is priceless. No wonder why some really rich people in today's world do charity work, investing their hard-earned money in developing some rural villages and many more things. So if you want to have that priceless feeling of happiness and satisfaction, help others selflessly and you will find yourself happy most of the time. The seventh principle is related to the path of diamond. These diamonds represent the small moment of happiness which comes our way in life. These moments are always in the present time. Our human brains are designed in such a way that we tend to disturb thinking of our past and worrying about the future. You never really enjoy the small happy moments that will happen in present. It can literally be anything. Playing with your kids in a nearby park, or maybe spending some quality time with your parents. These present moments are supposed to be lived in present, and these are the real diamonds in our life. If only you understand this now, you are really going to be good at relationship. So guys, these were the 7 lessons which Monk taught Julian, which completely changed his life. As promised, Julian spread out this knowledge to the outer world. Share this video to all you cared about. If you were new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and press that little bell icon and click all notifications. And make sure to leave a like and comment. Finally, thanks for watching.